Hello, friends. Today we'll discuss chapter 19 of IC 38. In this chapter, we'll know about the different types of health insurance products. Generally, life insurance companies offer long-term health insurance products, whereas non-life and standalone health insurance companies may provide short-term products that is from 1 year to 3 year tenure. On the basis of number of people covered under the policy, health insurance product may be divided into three categories. First, individual policy, where only individuals are covered. Second, family floater policy. In a family floater policy, a single sum assured is offered for entire family, where family may consist of spouse, dependent children, and dependent parents. Third is group health cover. It is taken by a group owner who could be an employer, an association, a bank's credit card division in which a single policy covers the entire group of individuals. Again, on the basis of nature of coverage, health products may be classified in three categories. First, indemnity cover. Second, fixed benefit cover. And third is critical illness cover. When we talk about indemnity cover, these products pay for actual medical expenses incurred due to hospitalization. In most of the cases, they cover only a specific number of days before and after hospitalization, but exclude other expenses done. In case of domiciliary hospitalization, the patient cannot be taken to hospital and needs to be given cover at his place itself. This cover has an excess clause of 3 to 5 days, wherein the initial treatment cost of given days is to be borne by the insured. Some of the common exclusions in these policies are pre-existing disease, all non-medical item expenses, waiting period of 30 days from start of policy, etc. There are some new exclusions also, like genetic disorders, service charges, doctor's home visit, etc. Pre-existing diseases which were excluded are included after a waiting period of 4 years. Lifelong renewal option is available now as per IRDA in all such policies. Second is fixed benefit cover. It provides adequate cover to the insured person and also helps the insurer to effectively price his policy. This policy is also known as hospital cash plan, and it pays for a fixed sum per day for the period. Third is critical illness cover. This is a fixed plan for payouts on occurrence of a predefined critical illness like heart attack, stroke, cancer, etc. Now it is relevant here to discuss some key terms in health policies which have been standardized by IRDA to avoid confusion, especially for insured. Some of these terms are TPA, third party administrators. They are a person who is licensed by IRDA and is engaged for a fee or remuneration by insurance company for the purpose of providing health service. Network provider. They are hospitals or healthcare providers enlisted by TPA or insurer to provide medical services cashless. Hospital. They are institution having inpatient or daycare facility and has at least 10 beds in city with population less than 10 lakhs and 15 beds in other places. Also, there should be fully equipped operation theater along with trained nurses and doctors round the clock. Medical practitioner. He must have a registration from the medical council. Qualified nurse. A qualified nurse should hold valid registration from nursing council. Notice of claim. Claim document for reimbursement is to be submitted within 15 days of discharge. Combi products. Life insurance plans are combined with health insurance products. A personal accident cover, that is PA cover. It provides compensation in the form of death and disability benefits due to unforeseen accident. Overseas Mediclaim or travel policy. It provides cover to an individual against exposure to the risk of accident, injury, and sickness during his stay overseas. A free look-in period of 15 days and grace period of 30 days are allowed in these policies also. Thank you. Take care.